Okay, so today we got the carb here. I got it out and we're gonna clean it out, 'cause maybe that's the problem. It's on the handy dandy Del Sol bench. What a better use for your unmoving project car than make it itself into a bench. So hopefully the goal is with this is to clean out the shit on the inside, and maybe it'll actually run, because I found that the fuel is getting down to the line but it's not getting through the carburetor itself. I mean, she ain't looking the cleanest in there. Or in here. That's where this is here was where the needle sticks down. Let's see, this here is the primary jet. And I think, I'm not too sure what this one goes to. So yeah, let's get to work cleaning it out, because I'm not gonna get very far. Now what I'm trying to find is the idle injector, which I'm not sure if it's that there underneath the float tank. No, it must be this here. Oh yeah, she's clogged up. Which actually might mean that the little one there was the whatchamacallit, the idle, which is cleaned out. I don't. There you are. So I don't know. Maybe if I set it like that, it'll float a little better. Maybe. I don't fucking know. Yeah. Then we just need to clean inside the carburetor bowl. I don't actually have any carb clean with me right now, which probably be a lot helpful if I actually had it. But I used it all trying to get the damn motor to start. Actually, I think I forgot a spot. Hopefully that was good enough. And then when the fuel actually starts to, you know, flow and shit, put in some carb, like seafoam, but it's like carb cleaner and stuff. Fuel treatment cleaner. See if it'll help clean up some of the nasties in there. And yes, if I probably did. But if I'm using any of this wrong, incorrectly, yes, I know. No, I don't care. I know because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. And I don't care, because if it works, it fucking works. And are you gonna stop me? Absolutely not. Do I care enough? Nope. But yes, I did take this apart and found that all the, I actually ran out of phone storage, so I didn't fully see it, but, or I didn't record it, I should say, but I did open this up and found that there was a lot of fuel leaking, or building up in here, but not going anywhere. So, yeah. The carb might be cleaner now and ready to go back in. I do not know. But regardless, everything's gonna have to wait, because there's a fuel tank right there. It's upside down right now because I just painted the bottom. I put primer on it. It's gonna look like shit for a little bit, but I wanted all the rust and all the debris out of there because it was gross. So now it's like this. Figured if I'm gonna sandblast one part, might as well sandblast the rest. And so I'm gonna try to restore this to a actual running nice bike again. So all this is gonna get replaced, all that's gonna get blasted back down or replaced. Basically everything's gonna be redone on this to an extent. If not replaced, restored. Because that is my goal for this bike. I want to see everything being all restored again, no rust on this. So that's the next steps of this. I want to get it running before I go any further. I didn't want to do this till I got it running, but it is what it is. Yes, I know the paint is horrible. My spray can was acting up because it sat around in here for about 2 years. And I don't think I shaked it well the first time, and then it messed the whole thing up. Anyway, so, yeah. I will get it wet sanded down, fixed up, painted correctly, and all that shit. But for right now, that's just a protective layer. Just so it doesn't rust anymore after I got all the rust off, because I started the steering knuckle on the Del Sol, rusted up within a couple weeks that I didn't touch it. So then I re-sanded it down, put some paint on it, and now it's just sitting here curing. And that's drying. So yeah, either this thing will be running next time when I put it back together, or it won't be. Regardless, I'll figure it out. Actually, I wonder if it's this. Well, that's cleaned out too. Yes, I know both are cleaned out shitterly, but deal with it. And that's all for now. Goodbye.